Full arch restorations do not need 5, 6 or even 7 appointments. With DigiBridge, which is our range of full arch restorative workflows, full arch restorations can be delivered in just 2 appointments in over 90% of cases. And on top of that, we guarantee passivity. DigiBridge workflows bring efficiency, predictability and clarity to full arch restorative delivery. It replaces those complex, prolonged treatment journeys with a structured digital workflow designed to deliver the same predictable outcome each and every time. You can choose from 4 DigiBridge restorative workflows, each digitizing your process in the most efficient way. Photogrammetry, grammetry arch bridge, grammetry OptiSplint, and the iJig. DigiBridge from Chorus 3D is designed to meet you where you are in terms of your technology, case volumes, whilst all the time maintaining consistency in outcomes, workflows and costs. Guaranteed passivity is built into every DigiBridge case, thanks to our internal expertise, refined processes and technology utilised here at Chorus 3D. So if you want to restore your full arch cases in as little as 2 appointments, DigiBridge gives you clarity, choice and confidence. So get started today at chorus3d.com/DigiBridge.